Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of low speaker sound on your iPhone, whether your music, calls, or video sounds too quiet. I've got a few tricks to help you out. Now let's get started. First things first, make sure your volume is turned all the way up. Sometimes it's as simple as pressing the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to max out the sound. You can also adjust the volume in the control center by swiping up from the top right corner. Over time, dust and debris can clog up your iPhone speaker grills, reducing sound quality. Use a soft brush or a clean, dry toothbrush to gently clean the speaker openings at the bottom of your iPhone. Avoid using liquid cleaners or compressed airs as they can damage your iPhone. Sometimes your iPhone might get stuck in headphone mode, causing the speaker sound to be too low. Go to Settings and go to Tap on Sounds and Haptics and make sure the Change with Buttons toggle is on. Then unplug and replug your headphones or restart your phone to reset the sound settings. If the issue persists, try connecting and disconnecting your headphones a few times. Your iPhone has a noise cancellation feature that sometimes interferes with the speaker's sound quality. To turn it off, go to Settings, then on Accessibility, then go to Audio/Visual and toggle off phone noise cancellation. Now, sometimes software bugs can affect your iPhone speaker volume. Make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS by going to Settings and then on General and then on Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. Keeping your iPhone updated ensures you have the latest bugs and software renewal. And that's it. This is how you can fix low speaker sound on your iPhone. If these tips helped you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.